Test. After completely repair.
Welcome to Dolby Atmos. Please put on your headphones. It's a new way to experience sound. Unlike stereo, which is limited to 2 audio channels, Dolby Atmos can manipulate individual sounds in 3D space to position sounds all around you. Sounds can move above you, far away, or right up close. Let's compare. This is stereo. And this is Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos can build worlds of sound to tell any story. It catches all the little details. Puts you in the center of the action. It sounds just like the real world. And transports you to
that's the time I'll think of you. Anytime you say you want me back again, that's hard till I can hold you in my arms. So darling,
Lighter. Lighter.
Will never be faster. Switch now.
Test pass.